I bet 100 you ain't got a dime. They hate, I'm tryna see a young nigga fucking shine. They steady hating, I'ma stay on my fucking grind. Stay focused and I bet you will fucking shine. Do your thing, I swear to God they gon' fucking hate. Bodies dropping, how much do it fucking take? I score up in this charger like I'm TK. All white edition buffs, that's your rent, bae. How much did you rent for that charger, bro? Stop flashing on the gram if you really broke. I swear we'll rob you for that little cheese, bro. All these hoes be faking, they need to go. I'll call my nigga Tay, he stay on go. 48223 the fan by the boat low. If I call my nigga low, you know he gon' blow. That nigga switch, he ain't my fam. I just remember all the shit that we did. RIP to D, Euro got me laying in bed. They'll be fucked up if they caught me on meds. I can't hang with these niggas cause they fucking with feds. She said she love me, but deep down my heart is so dead. You ever woke up in the morning with no food in the fridge? What's going crazy in the trenches? So much shit in my head. Shit so fucked up, I can't even go to bed. The worst enemy in my head, and I wish he was dead. Used to call some nigga brother, but I swear they did. In the trenches by myself, I remember all the shit I did. Niggas hating, I don't know why, and I wish them niggas was dead. Ain't no love for police, man, fuck them fucking pigs. Where the fuck was police at when he died in front of my place? All these niggas fucking hating, and they want my fucking place. I don't know why these niggas want my place though. Shit, these niggas be hating to the point where I don't even understand why. I don't even know half y'all niggas. Y'all be hating this shit. Like, this shit not easy though. You wanna become a rapper or some shit like that? I don't know why shit. I always believed I could be better than somebody or some shit like that. I don't know why these niggas be hating on me shit. I always wanted to be different shit. People been hating on me my whole life. I don't know why shit. My own family don't fuck with me shit. It is what it is. At the end of the day, I'ma still be me. Nobody else though. Probably why they hate me and envy me. I ain't no dick sucker or nothing like that. All I gotta say is fuck these niggas, bro. Ain't no love for none of these niggas. They all hating. My own man switched on me, my own brother switched on me, shit. My life is nothing but endless pain and shit. Nobody really feel me, so fuck everybody.